Have you ever wondered why we are going back to the moon after 50 years? Well, NASA is planning a monumental return in 2025, and this time it's not just about planting flags, it's about changing the future of humanity forever. Let's rewind. The last time humans walked on the moon was in 1972 during Apollo 17. Since then, we have sent robots, satellites, but never people. So why go back now? Enter Artemis. This is NASA's ambitious program to return humans to the moon. And not just any humans. The first woman and the first person of color will walk on the lunar surface. This is historic. Why 2025 specifically? The original target was earlier, but delays pushed it. But now, with the Artemis 3 mission, NASA is finally ready. They will use the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, and Orion spacecraft to get astronauts to lunar orbit. NASA is also building the Lunar Gateway, a mini space station orbiting the moon. Think of it as a spaceport, enabling longer missions and explorations beyond the moon. But here's the big deal. This mission isn't just for show. The moon is a testing ground for Mars exploration. By learning how to survive and build infrastructure on the moon, NASA is preparing to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. The competition. And let's not forget the Space Race 2.0. China and Russia are planning their own moon bases. If the US doesn't act now, others might dominate lunar resources like Helium-3, which could be a revolutionary energy source. Elon Musk and SpaceX. NASA isn't alone. SpaceX is providing the lunar lander with their Starship. This could revolutionize space travel by making it cheaper and reusable. Economic opportunities. Experts believe a lunar economy could be worth trillions in the future, from mining rare minerals to tourism. Yes, you heard that right. Moon tourism could become real. Scientific discoveries. And the moon still has secrets. We have only scratched the surface literally. There are ice deposits, ancient geological mysteries, and potential resources waiting to be explored. Global collaboration. This mission is not just a NASA project. Countries like Canada, Japan, and the European space agencies are joining in, making it a global effort. Critics and challenges. Of course, not everyone agrees. Some argue the billions spent on moon missions could solve problems here on Earth. Plus, space is dangerous. Radiations, micrometeoroids, and the sheer distance make it risky. Why it matters? But here's the truth. Exploring space has always driven technological innovation, inspired generations, and unified humanity. From GPS to medical technology, space exploration benefits us all. What happens next? If Artemis 3 succeeds in 2025, it will set the stage for a permanent human presence on the moon and eventually a manned mission to Mars. So next time someone asks why we are going back to the moon, just tell them it's not just about the moon, it's about our future. This is Miss Unveiled, where curiosity meets the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more space wonders.